In this tutorial, I will show you line tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. So you can access line tool from here. Right click and this is line tool. Line tool draw lines. So here is weight of the line. If you click 50 pixel, then draw a line. You can see this is a line. So if you make it 75, you can draw an more line, more larger line. You can access this appearance of this line tools from here, from properties, from Windows properties. Here is properties. So this is field is turned up. Now stroke is 34 point. So you can change this. You can make it lines, dotted lines or dotted. Also when you press it, you have another option. You can make it more versatile it if you want. You can see that 3 making it 2. So you can make this type of line with it. And also you can notice that every time I draw a line, it will placed in new shape there. So that was that option. I am turned it off. Also here is few option here. You can see this is a smaller line and it is larger. Also here is caps. You can use the caps. Also here is, you can see that you can change all of this from here. Also you can draw arrowhead with lines. So if I am accessing it and click here, and here is a tool that 0. centimeter black arrow. Click here and you can draw an arrow with it. So here is 0.5 centimeter width. So you can change the arrowhead during, this is in time. You can see I'm doing it. This is, if you click here start point, then when you draw the shape, it will be, arrowhead will be in the starting. And if you turn on both, you can see now I am turned off both. And you can see that both arrow you can make it. Also you can select here from here it is. So after selecting both, you can see that both side arrow has been appeared. Also you can make it width and length. You can adjust it as per your need. Also here is option concavity. If you make it 0, so I am line, you can see this concavity is, this is straight, but when I make it 50% concavity, then I am drawing this, and you can see the concavity. This is 50% concavity. In this way, you can access all of this from here, and also access weight from here. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.